Okay, I see where he's getting at, because he's like, if you multiply a decimal with a decimal, you're dividing, you're not multiplying to begin with. So it's less about logically trying to understand the math itself. Me personally, like everybody that is against what he's saying in terms of this claim got ground to stand on with it because of how absurd it is to them. However, the way we go about it is different. If you multiply the value of 3 2 times, you're going to be left with 6. But what happened to the other 3? Do you see where I'm going with this? We are so focused on the end product that we don't even add what started it to begin with, which causes us to have less than what we truly have, which is why certain math works while others don't. It's not that I don't jump 30 times in 5 days, and in each day I jump 6 times. It's about the value. Let me speak it in another freaking definition. The value of 6, and you clone it 5 times. Those 5 clones equal to 30. You add the 6, you get 36. And by switching it up, the value of 5 cloned 6 times. You're left with 30 again. Only this time you add the 5, you're now left with 35. It's not that what the rebuttals are saying have no weight to it. It's the fact that they don't go about it the right way. When you're trying to increase in revenue and you still end up with 1, when you're trying to get $2 from $1 and cloning it 1 time, now you start to see why Terrance Howard's point has some weight to it. He is challenging math so he can get y'all to understand why we are being held back to begin with. And what's so funny about it is that division has weight to it. Subtraction has weight to it. Addition has weight to it. But when it comes to multiplication, it's not complex. It is contextual. Meaning you do not take the value of 6 and clone it 6 times and say you only have 42 when you have this other 6 that can increase it further to 48. And you also don't say that you get 2 apples every 5 days and you end up with 10 total. There's a difference between multiplying the value and seeing how many you got. There's a difference in value multiplication and seeing how much you got type of multiplication. That is why we are being held back. And that is how you understand cloning. That is why 1 times 1 equals 2 in terms of cloning. Multiplication is contextual. It is not finite. It is not a set way. And the moment that you understand that is the moment where you can truly see your life transform. Terrance is challenging the modern mathematics to open your eyes to truly how we can increase our revenue by the way we see each and every single freaking dollar. So instead of trying to get $1 in 1 day, figure out how you can clone that dollar 1 time to end up with 2. That is the point he is trying to make. Period. Ashe, peace out, adios.